Hello and welcome. In this lesson, I introduce you to something called Jupyter Notebooks. Jupyter Notebooks offers a more interactive computing experience compared to the usual IDEs such as VS Code and PyCharm. Let's move forward to the installation of Jupyter Notebooks into your computer. One of the best ways is through using Anaconda, which is a version that comes with all applicable packages installed. To download Anaconda, just click on free download, and it should direct you to this point. Make sure you have selected the operating system you're on. You may be on Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, and click download. This is a big file and it might take a while. Remember that we are interested in Jupyter Notebook, and you should have this in your computer now because you have already installed Anaconda. And when you open this, it directs you to this command prompt. Give it a moment, and it opens a web app that is a Jupyter dashboard in your home directory. You can see we have desktop, documents, and so on and so forth. Let's work with documents. When you open the folder, you'll have all the components, all the folders. Then let's go and create a new Python 3 shell or kernel. It directs you to localhost 888, which is the web page for this Jupyter. Then, as you can see, we have a new file, a Jupyter file that's untitled. Let's rename this to introduction, and we rename that a simple introduction to Jupyter. This is a cell. This is called a cell where we can run our commands. Let's type hello world again, and to run this, we can click on that, or we can just hit Control and Enter. As you can see, on the running this, we have a new cell, and we have outputted what we wanted. We can also try simple things like adding numbers, and we run that, we have output. When a cell is in this mode, the green one, that's called the editing mode. It means we can edit anything in this cell. We can type, we can run anything, and so on and so forth. But we can convert this into command mode. Command mode means that we have control over the cell. We can delete the cell by hitting the letter D twice. We can also hit an A to add a new cell above it, or hit a B to add a new cell below it. These are simple instructions that we feed to the new cell. We can also insert cell above or cell below. We can also have these additional cell instructions. That is, yeah, we can make it a code, we can make it a markdown or a netbook convert. So when the cell is in command mode, we can perform commands that controls the cell. When it's in edit mode, we can edit whatever is inside the cell. Then let's look at other commands, such as we can have that so that's basically it about That's basically it about Jupyter notebooks. We have kernels are, we can reset the kernel by hitting that, and we have widget. This is the dashboard. That means we can do a lot with it. Let's start by files. We can create a new notebook. We can open an existing notebook. We can save, rename, and so on and so forth. We can also download this in different formats. We can download in PDF and so on, LaTeX and Markdown. Then we can split a cell into two. We can move a cell up or down. We can also edit notebook metadata and so on and so forth. Can have headers, can have this. I would like to highlight the usage of cells and Markdown. It means when we are in Markdown, it means this is not a code, but a text. That is, we can explain anything about it. When Markdown, we can also have headings. Yeah. And when you hit that, we have a heading, and we can also add a new cell below that. Sorry, we can delete and add below that. Below this, we can now have a Markdown. We'll give a simple explanation below the title, and note that we can also have different. This is the first heading title. To make this second heading, we just have to add hashtag, and we can let's add a new explanation below here, and make sure we have that level, make it that level heading. Oh, we make this that level. Then in our next lesson, we learn how to use this to take advantage of these Jupyter notebooks for business intelligence and data analysis.